Oh, are we on? I need to count now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Good morning, Memphis. So today we have a very special guest. Very, very special guest. We have Britney Spears. Britney Spears. She's going to be with us. That's what the dogs are barking at right now. They're a little scared, but it's okay. So Britney Spears. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Okay. Well, this just in. Britney Spears' plane has crashed. So we are going to have the next best thing. Do you want to know what the next best thing to Britney Spears is?
What is that?
Chris Crocker. The Chris Crocker.
Boo.
Well, you know, we can't all be fans. We can't win them all. All right, so let's all give a big round of applause for Chris Crocker. Chris, so what's up? How are you?
Nothing much. I'm good.
You're
the
good?
usual. Stalking. Everything else.
Oh, okay. How's Britney?
I heard she was dead.
She died?
Yeah.
In the plane crash?
I hope it wasn't nothing too serious.
Oh, it's just a plane crash. I mean, that's
she's alright.
That's not really anything at all much.
How much would you pay for her dead body?
Probably everything. My house, you know. I'm living with my mom, so.
Wow, even mommy's house. Well, that's a pretty tragic story.
Where is Britney? I know y'all are just using that as a cover-up story.
We just established that her plane has crashed.
Why are y'all lying to me?
We're not lying to you, Chris. Her plane really crashed.
Don't make me get crazy.
Her plane really crashed. What do you want me to
crazy.
do? What are we gonna do? Security! 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 Get this crazy person out of here! Security! 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 Okay, well, we're back. Got a little bit crazy there. Everything kind of got a little hazy. But we're back. We're back in. Security got Chris Crocker out. And why don't you tune in next time? And we're going to have another special guest.
Sounds good.
Dear old Michael Jackson, everybody.
The creeper of the world.
Good night. Well, that interview was pretty crazy.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I think we should do?
What?
I think we should go buy some new shoes and have a cheer us up.
Yeah!
Yeah! Okay, so today we are having Britney Spears. Britney Spears, she's gonna come on our show today.
Oh, really?
My leg was on. Okay.
Yeah, is it recording?
Yes, it's recording. Okay. So,
So good.
I cannot work in these conditions. Just throwing that out there. I need quiet on the set, please.
Recording.
Quiet on the set. Okay, ready? Ew. All right, so we're gonna begin in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Britney weigh?
Exactly 140 pounds.
Wow,
Without 2 of her
140
babies.
pounds. Wow, man, that's hold on. Oh no, sorry. Britney Spears is not gonna be here today.
Who is?
Her plane crashed.
Finally.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well, we might need to edit that out. Mears, it's hot in here. It's pretty hot in here to me. I think I'm just getting a little flustered from the weirdness. You know? Getting red. This is a disaster. This whole thing is a disaster.
You put pants on.
This whole entire filming has just been a disaster.
You've made your point.
Okay. Okay, well, now that's... I couldn't even get that sentence out of my mouth. Security's telling me something. She's running away. I don't know where our security went. We are not protected right now. We are not protected at all. We're going to have the next best thing. Do you want to know who the next best thing to Britney Spears is?
Who would that be?
Chris Crocker. Everybody, round of applause. Chris Crocker. Chris Crocker. Everybody.
Hey guys.
Chris Crocker. It's nice to have you here, Chris.
It's nice to be here.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just got my hair did.
You're quite beautiful. Just make sure that he's in the scene.
I've been addicted to drugs. I'm stalking Britney. My normal one thing.
Oh, Britney.
The usual.
All right. That's great. You can cut it off.